Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can write SiO₂ in Excel. So you may be facing difficult to write subscript like 2. Okay, I will show you how you can write it. Okay guys, so here we are. This is I already write some the SiO₂. So if you want to make this 2 as a subscript, then you need to just double click on this cell, or you can simply hit the F2. Okay, then just select only 2, okay, which you want to make subscript. Then right click on it and go to the format cell. Under the format cell, here you can see we have effects options. Okay, so under the effect option we can make it the strike throw, okay, if you want, or you can make it subscript. Okay, now click OK. Now you can see. Okay, and we can also use that. Just right click on it, go to the format cell. So we can also use that. This is superscript and this is subscript. Okay, so just select that and just click on OK. So you can see this subscript has been done. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.